Good morning folks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's Saturday the 25th of September, and once again I find myself back at Squires on the outskirts of Leeds. The reason why I've come today is because they've got a stunt show on. I think it's a couple of brothers that are doing motorcycle stunts, jumping over various bits and bats, and it's a bit of a fun day for the family. So I'm going to show some footage, have a little walk around, and hopefully you'll enjoy the footage that I've put together. If you do, please leave a comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you like this style of video and some of the other videos that I do, like of tours and so forth, please feel free to subscribe if that floats your boat. That'd be much appreciated. Regrettably, I haven't been able to come on my bike today because foolishly, after my last ride to Wales a few days ago, I didn't fill up the bike when I came back. And because some people have been a bit selfish in the last sort of 2 to 3 days, there's a fuel shortage on. And when I went to my local supermarket this morning to fill the bike up, the pumps were closed and they had no fuel, and they weren't expecting a fuel delivery until somewhere between whatever time it was when I arrived and midnight. So obviously that was no good to man nor beast. So I've had to come in the car, just one of those things again, unfortunately. But anyway, it is what it is. So enjoy the video, and as I said, if you enjoy it, please leave a thumbs up, give me a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Okay, I'll catch up with you later on. So there's a good turnout of bikes here. Pan around to the right. So I'll just do a quick walk around, and you can just see some of the bikes, and then hopefully the new show will be starting in maybe 20 minutes. And there from the Isle of Man. GSX 1400 there.
Right, so we're going to get underway. First of all, we need to introduce the riders to you. And let me explain that these two boys are not just everyday bike riders. They are professional stunt riders, and they also compete in competition going around the world, doing the World Championships and the British Championships. In Chile, selling Honda bikes and other exotica. but he's been a professional trials rider for a lot of years. In fact, we're honoured to have him, and the reason for that is because he's been on tour in Las Vegas, ladies and gentlemen, in Cirque du Soleil. So let's hear it for Jack Challoner. And this other rider is our regular rider, because Jack's a visitor. We've managed to get Jack to come and help us out, because we normally have a pair of twins, and we've now got to introduce one of the two twins, and this fella's been on tour with us now for about 5 years. So let's have a nice big cheer and a warm welcome. Let's hear it for Deck Fuller. And like Jack, Deck's been a professional rider going around the world doing the competitions. Very successful. Both the boys have got a lot of competition and credit under the belt. So these are the On The Edge boys. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the lads. Both Deck and Brett. So what they do is they make it look really easy, but you'll notice during the show they very, very rarely put the feet down. They'll balance on the bike. They do wheelies and hops and that lot just to keep themselves warmed up and practice. Strike a light. Right, behave boys, so you behave, particular. There you go behind me, I talked before about that, people talk. Right, so the idea now is for Deck, who's going first, to get the bike up on the top of the Dragon's teeth. What he'll do is he'll get the bike up and then he'll hop across each of the Dragon's teeth. He was explaining this morning that we used to have just 4 of them, we've extended to 6. The only reason years ago we had 4 of them because we modelled them off a girl that Jack used to go out with. She was a bit of a dragon, as I said earlier on, and she had 14. Oh, now then, he's done better than he did this morning. He's on it today, then, Deck. Good on you, mate. Let's just see if he can get these last 2 in. No, obviously not. Honestly, can't you tell? Right then, Jack's going to do all 6 of these, which is the plan anyway. This is the death-defying stunt. Breakneck speed, just around 3 miles an hour. Now, this leg waving, which is Jack doing the impression of a dog having a wee, this is him trying to get his balance, retain his balance. So he's at the point where Deck was. Go on, JC, all the way now. Oh, he's nearly off. Go on, mate, all the way. Oh, no, don't you start as well. Stop it, don't put him on. Oh, that's just cheating. Hey, it's out of order, that, isn't it? This box. There you go, right. What he's going to do now is deviate. He's going to flick the bike round at 90 degrees so that the front wheel lands on here and the back wheel lands on here. That's that one there. He's going to do this, hopefully, here we go, and the crowd go wild. Well, some do, thanks love. And he's going to do one more. Are you ready? And there we go, another. Happy days. And off the edge. That's it, happy days. Concentrate. Hey, tell you what, he done half of these boxes. He put some weight on while you've been in America, or what? Good lord. Right, here we go. So, each time he flicks the bike round, boys and girls, want a big cheer. There you go. And there's another. Oh, he's on form. Oh, he's going for one more. He's setting it up, he's going for one more. A lot of energy involved in doing this. And he's done it. Absolutely perfect. Beautifully done. Oh, he's on right on the very edge of it. It's good naming it on the edge. He's going to do that. What's he going to do? Oh, get that out. But any of the riders run out of energy on the 4th one. Because it does take a lot. And here's 1. And you're going to count with me, boys and girls. Come on here. Here's 2. That's it. Cheer him on each time. Here we go. There's 3. There's 4. Can you do one more now? Go on, Nick. Go on, Nick. Give us one more. Get in the wobble on. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear it for him. 5 clicks. Brilliant stuff. you're right. It's the last thing Deck's going to do. So you've been great up to now, you boys and girls and mums and dads. We just need your extra support now to get him up the side of the truck here. So come on, let's get that clapping going. Let's get behind him. Let's cheer him on. Here we go. Go on, Deck. Go on, Deck. Go on, Deck. Absolutely perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Deck Bullard. So, when you're ready then, so Deck's up on the top. I explained this earlier on. He is what we call a minder. This is where he helps out if it goes a little bit wrong. We don't plan on it going wrong, but it gives the rider a bit of confidence. Are you right then? Right, JC. Right, come on, just like you did for Deck. Get the clapping going and the cheering. Come on, Luke, a cheer for your dad. Let's get him up here. This is a big jump. Here we go, here we go. That front wheel was right up in the air. Ladies and gentlemen, Jeff Challoner and Deck Bullard, barely on the edge, boys. Thank you very much. You've been a good audience. Appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget, we've got me style in the car.
Right folks, well I hope you enjoyed that little exhibition there. That stunt show was very good. So the two guys in the show is called On The Edge. One of them apparently works at Craig's Honda down at Shipley. I thought he looked familiar. I go in there quite often and just have a little browse around. But yeah, very skillful indeed. I enjoyed that. I hope you guys did as well. So I'm just having a quick bite to eat, and then I'm going to continue having a look around just with the car park and so forth, see what else is going on. I see they're just over there to my left doing some axe throwing, so I'll see if I can get some footage of that. I might even have a go myself. But and there's some camping over there. I'm just going to go down and have a look at the campsite as well. So I'll catch you in a few moments, okay? So they've got their own camping area here as well, which is pretty good. Loads of room for tents. And it looks like over there you've got toilet facilities, shower block. So yeah, so plenty of camping, plenty of tents. Over there in a wigwam. So that's Harley. So that's Speed Style UK, which is just based to the back of Squires. It's all within their grounds. I thought it had closed down to be fair, because every other time I've come it's been closed, but thankfully it's open today.
It's too complicated, man. Man says no. Can't. Obviously running the first I've only got one in.
Okay, one pair of hands. I've got two pairs of gloves. One for summer, one for winter.
I have to use certain
Well, 'cause I've got big eyes.
It's just about something you do. You know what I mean? It's stuck to the bloody thing. They just like sugar. There you go, that's it, perfect. Do that again.
Would you like some more?
Perfect.
Sorted, I hope you're getting this.
Got it. Right, proceed that consent. It is. Perfect, go. Hang on. Perfect. Yep. Perfect. Look at that. Bang on.
Sorted.
Right, hang on. Are you trying to tell me something?
Now we're looking for a bit of a trick shot now.
Oh, trick shot, right, what is it? Open it.
You're all laughing, you
Don't even
think
know.
it, but I'm not.
Hold me like that.
Like what's it, like that?
Like this. And all you're doing is just lifting it. Lift it. Hang on, there you go.
You're getting this.
Trick shot in. And again.
Face to face.
Right, faster you can. Go. Bang on, go.
Right, can we do what we actually planned to do? Right.
Go. Go. And that's
Bingo.
Is how you back.
Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much indeed for filming. So that's the end of the video. I certainly never thought this morning when I woke up that I'd be throwing axes by the end of the day, but that was good fun, to be fair. If you've never tried it and you go to an event like that, give it a go. It's a good laugh. So yeah, I hope there's been something there for people that they've enjoyed. A little bit of a bike show, stunt show, plenty of bikes and just a few little bits and bats going on. So I hope you've enjoyed it. As I said, if you like the style of videos that I do, please consider subscribing. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified automatically each time a new video comes out. And if you want to leave a comment down below, that'd be appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like the video, by all means give me a thumbs down, but please just put a little description in the comments as to why you didn't like or what you didn't like about it, and I'll try and address that in the next video. Okay, thanks very much for watching, take care, and I'll see you all on the next video. Ta-ra for now.